Hi guys, welcome to Franuel TV.
Welcome!
Now we have this mystery box over here. Black box. Di ba nagsara ngayon? Okay. Yeah, this box is...
Ngayon bubuksan natin.
Yes.
Nagkaroon na buksan.
Bubuksan natin ang black box. Ang mahiwagang black box. Kidding aside, this is the video about unboxing of Yes Baby Ezra. Yeah.
Unboxing Part 2!
Yeah. Just to give some before we did the unboxing of GoPro Hero 8 Black for us to record amazing videos. You already seen some of those. And videos are not complete if you have an awful sound or the sound quality is not so good.
Yes.
And now we will do something to improve the audio of Franuel TV.
Yahoo!
What is this, Mommy?
Ano ba ginagamit kapag para ma-improve ang voice?
Alam ko yan. Sa laban.
Voice? Hindi! Sa pagre-record.
Pag-record. Alam ko yan. Audio recorder.
Audio record.
Nakita niyo react si Ezra.
Siya rin daw, alam niya.
Yes, kuha niyo si Ezra.
Ano yan? Microphone. Galing na, baby.
Very good, Ezra. So this is a microphone. Actually, ano to? Ang laki pang video. Extend. Yeah, we wish we can buy that product here in Poland, but they don't have. Okay, so this is yes, Ezra. Ezra is reacting. Ezra is very excited. Yes, baby.
He's so excited to sing also.
Okay, so Christmas came early. It's just August here in Poland, but it's already Christmas. We receive a present. Thank you, Jesus.
Another present.
We don't believe in Santa. Okay, so, Mommy, it's okay.
I think it's hard for me.
You can do it.
No, we need scissors.
Oh, there's a way.
There's a way. It's hard.
Okay.
48 hours later.
Okay, I'll get scissors.
Yes. I'll start to... Ezra na lang daw. Magbubukas.
Ezra wants to open it.
Yeah, he's strong.
So we got the scissors. I'll open it.
Are you excited? Excited! Oh, excited! Ezra is so excited to see what's inside the black box. And now become a brown box. Tumawa ka naman.
Joke ba yun? Okay, so we just remove the plastic.
Okay.
Okay, put it over there. And some another protective cardboard. And
This is what we call Microphone Studio Pro from Tracer.
we don't get that for that.
Yeah.
It's not sponsored. Okay, so Mommy, this is the microphone. So do the honors to open it again. This is Microphone Studio Pro from Tracer.
A rich set of accessories.
Here, Mommy.
Okay, before we open, can you read all of this? I think this all the...
Yep. So before we open, what are the features of this product? Okay. Okay. So it has the 70 decibels, yeah, dB. Frequency response of 30 to 16,000 hertz.
Yes.
And microphone sensitivity minus 38 decibels plus and minus 3 decibels. So I guess that's pretty powerful. This is also a condenser microphone for home and office. What else?
Noise reduction.
Noise
That's your
reduction.
noise reduction.
Oh baby, noise reduction.
Oh my.
But baby, your voice is not a noise. It's music to our
Of
ears.
course.
Yes, baby is reacting. Baby Ezra is smiling. Okay.
I'm trying to record before and then.
Ezra, so expect in the previous video, in the next videos, you will hear more of Ezra talking in the microphone. Wow, it looks amazing. I can show it to them.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
So, it looks amazing, right? This is a complete set. Okay.
Mhm.
So, mommy, what are these?
So I think this what we call filter.
Yeah, filter.
Yes.
Okay, and
And then I think you can either use this filter or this foam.
this foam. Yeah, I guess this one is, or you cannot really use both. Let's see.
It's
It depends. And this one.
cloth.
Yeah, to put it on the table. Okay. This one.
And this is what we call basket.
The basket for
Yeah,
the
I think
microphone.
this the one. This is the one.
Oops, careful.
Ang tawag nito, to reduce the.
If ever you put the microphone in the table and you put something then on the table, it reduces the motion or the impact that the microphone might have. So that even if you shake the table, you move the table, the microphone will not be affected.
Yes.
Okay, what's next?
Yes.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, and then of course wire.
Yes, cord.
Yes, cord. Microphone cord.
This one. What is this? This
Arm.
is the arm.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can mount it somewhere.
And then that's it. No.
Of course, that's not complete without the heart, the main thing. And what's the main thing, mommy?
The
Okay.
microphone.
Oh.
Let's check
Oh, this is the microphone.
this. Mic doesn't.
Yeah, praise God, praise God. Mommy, you know also about testing a microphone. Can you sing it? Testing. Anyway, suggesting something.
Okay, let's see.
I think this is the song is very heartfelt song. It's a ballad. It's a birit song. Oh yeah, baby. Go sing mommy.
Di ako bisaya. Wala kayong prubiba. Chick Mike. No.
That's crazy!
Joke lang yun. Bisaya talaga ako.
Dili naman Bisaya, dahil dili naman Bisaya. No, my wife is from Romblon and Masbate, and she's a local there. Me, I'm from the province of Bulacan and Valenzuela City. Before, that was part of Bulacan. Yeah. After no English, ito Pinoy naman.
Di ako bisaya. Wala kayong pruweba. Chick Mike.
That sounds familiar.
That's from.
Yeah, from our church mate, from our brother. Yeah, we hope someday we will interview him with this microphone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mega shout out, Kuya Ruel Domingo.
I miss you, Kuya Ruel.
Alright, so that's the complete set of this microphone unboxing. We hope you had a great time. Nakikinig lang sila.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay, so this is the complete set and stay tuned in Channel TV for our upcoming videos where we will showcase how good or bad this microphone Studio Pro from Facebook. Feeling ako, besides.
See you.
Wala kayong pro eh. Mic, check, mic. Hey baby! Bye! God bless!
Kanina pa.